Hey guys, welcome back to JobStack. Today I will be showing you how to set a Brave as a default browser. So guys, if you are wondering to set the Brave as a default, as you can see when you open up the Brave, automatically you should be able to see here, Brave isn't your default browser. And you can just simply go ahead and select set as default, and automatically it will be your default browser. However, if you don't have that option into your Brave, you just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your computer. Here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the apps on the left side over here. Now, here on the apps, you can just simply go ahead and go for the default apps over here. Now here on the default apps, you could just simply select the Brave over here. Or if you cannot find it, of course, you could use the search bar over here. Now here, as you can see, you could just simply select set default over here in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.